today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in Figma. Whether you're just getting started with Figma or you've been using it for a while, knowing the quickest way to create a new file will help you stay organized and get designing faster. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, and I'll explain what each part of the interface does as we go. First, make sure you're logged into your Figma account and you're on the main files page. On this screen, you'll see different sections like recent, drafts, and any teams you're a part of. To begin, look for the area that lists your teams. This is usually on the left-hand side of the interface. Click on the team where you want your new file to live. When you click on a team, Figma will open that team's workspace. Here, you'll see different tabs such as projects, files, and drafts. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on drafts. Drafts is a personal space within the team where you can create and experiment with files before sharing them more widely. Next, find the word drafts in the team view. Right beside it, you should see a small plus icon. This plus sign is what you use to create something new. Go ahead and click on the plus sign next to drafts. This tells Figma you want to start a new file within that area. As soon as you click that plus sign, Figma will open a menu or directly start a new file, depending on your version and settings. In many cases, you'll be given options to choose what kind of file you want to create. This might include a standard design file, a FigJam whiteboard, or other available file types. Now, select the type of file you want. If you're designing an interface, a website, or an app, choose a standard Figma design file. If you're planning a workshop, doing brainstorming, or mapping out ideas, you might choose a FigJam file instead. Click on your chosen option, and Figma will open it in a new tab or window. From here, you can rename your file at the top, start adding frames, shapes, or text, and organize your work. And that's it. You've successfully created a new file in Figma, starting right from your team's drafts area.